Hi guys, in this video we're going to demonstrate what these lock symbols mean and how you can use them for your layers, your images on the layers. Currently they're grayed out. This is why, because it's a smart object. As you see, that will pop up smart object there. Smart object means we cannot really edit it, make changes to it very easily. So what we need to do is rasterize it first. So now we can make a bunch of changes and use a brush and things like that. But to demonstrate, before we click this look icon, to demonstrate it, we're in the brush already. We're just going to paint black on the background and the layer, you see, and it paints just like that. And this is a good example to what this first one does. Okay, we've clicked it, it's affecting this layer. Now we paint the brush, you see it's only affecting the layer itself. The background is locked. So that's what that first one does. The second one here, now we try and click to edit it with our brush and it gives us an error because the layer is locked. So what does this imply then? It means we can still resize it, Control T, we can adjust it that way, that isn't locked, but we cannot draw on the image. We cannot edit it like that. We can only move it basically. Now the third one, this one here, is locking its position, so we can edit it, no problem. But if we try to move the image, Control T, it is static, it is stuck to the ground, it is stuck to the canvas. We cannot move it at all. This can be helpful if you've got multiple images, multiple layers, and it'll stop you accidentally moving your layer out of place. So it'll lock it into place, but you can still edit it. So that's what this one does. And the final one is the lock all feature. And this one may be a bit more obvious. And basically, you cannot edit it, you cannot use a brush, you cannot erase, and you cannot move it as well. Control T does absolutely nothing. We can do a selection though. We can make a selection still. You see, if we want to make a selection, we can still do that. Basically, everything is locked. This is the most solid lock. I hope this has helped you. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you find these videos useful and you're learning from these. And thanks for listening, and see you in the next video. Peace.